Okay, we're gonna be looking at Monday's draw for tomorrow. Um, Big fucking week in terms of my top step account. But we're just gonna focus on the process and not take silly trades and um, yeah, make sure we got good habits. Let's check news actually. So no news Monday. What a way to throw in. Okay. Tuesday, a little bit in the PM. Wednesday, decent amount. Need to be careful. CPI is a bit scuffed. Thursday, because obviously, yeah, it's Halloween. Friday. Okay, quite a lot of news this week. It's gonna be interesting. No news Monday tomorrow though. So I'll be observing, but I'll use max contract of 1. That's how I'm going to de-risk myself tomorrow. Because sometimes I do have success in no news Mondays, so it's not. I mean, completely writing off the day is good if you can't control yourself, but I can control myself, and I'll just use 1 contract, and I'll probably only take one or 2 trades max. Okay, so a weekly time frame here on NQ. Still in this weekly imbalance here. And still struggling to break through. So this is where I expect potentially a rebalance down to this. Or sweep this liquidity. If you break through it, obviously the draw's higher. Which potentially I would like to see. Daily wise, so last week we had this Friday, right? Yeah, so we had Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday open. Tuesday manipulated the high, Wednesday came down, manipulated, and then Thursday, Friday expansion. So we swept the high here. Here's our generated sell side. And that was this low resistance, so this is the next sell side level I'd be looking for. Now, because this is such a big time frame, I need, sweep liquidity, some sort of market structure shift. I actually am a tiny bit. No, I am very bearish. Let me see what the 4 hours saying. Okay, this is much cleaner. Swipe buy side, obviously swipe these internal equal highs here as well. Starting to displace down. We have a 4 hour here. If we run through this, I'd probably expect the draw to be this low. And then the external low, and then maybe run these. We could equally hold this, and then maybe continue a buy model up to the buy side. On a smaller time frame, there's no market structure shift yet. We do have this nice 1 hour, which we could pull back to. I'd want this to hold. I'm just gonna make this weekly very faint. So you have this 4 hour. That's 1 hour. Let's do market open here. So buy side swept, push down, rebalance to the 4 hour. We've got nestled liquidity in this 1 hour on the 50-minute time frame. So if we could potentially get some sort of push up, sweep, maybe internal, change of state, and then pull down. But then if we're targeting this and there's 4-hour holds, we could maybe get a sweep. In turn, maybe market structure shift, pull back, and then, you know, reverse. But I'm definitely more bearish. Now we swept this when we're pushing down. And I know for a fact there's some SMTs which I need to draw in, so let's whip up ES here. ES is chilling in this weekly bullish imbalance, which is interesting. At all-time highs. So pull back to the weekly, holding it now. Friday, Thursday. Interesting. Yeah, I can see the SMT. I have an SMT here. I'm just going to draw it here because it looks cleaner like this. And there's SMT, big sell-off, displacement down. Running through. This 4-hour fair value gap, and then comes up, taps back into it. We have this nice 1 hour here. So I'd potentially like to see on ES. Pull back to this 1 hour, some sort of internal model targeting these lows. Again, we have a nestled in high here. Where do I want to see some sort of manipulation? And a push down. There's the internal. Then once we get up here, I'll zoom in, find an internal model of that, and then some model inside of a model inside of a model. But yeah, I think that's the draw covered. No news Monday, so I'll be trading one contract. I'll probably limit myself to like 2 trades, depending on how the market sees, or I'll just be extremely picky and won't take some bullshit trade. I'll only take, well, I'll never take a bullshit trade, but you know what I mean? I'm not gonna fucking, it's just gonna be like a bit backtesty. It's not gonna be a proper full day of trading in terms of size and risk and stuff. Yeah, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. Let's have a fucking good week, good habits. Let's not over leverage. So when I say over leveraged, quantify that. So tomorrow, over leveraging would be if I use over one contract. That would be me over leveraging. Over trading, you can quantify it. You can put 2 trades on. Recently, I don't like quantifying over trading because sometimes if I'm stopped out, it's because I know I can re-enter and I have a tight stop. So I don't like setting a thing for myself, but 2 trades, I'd say max on the same setup. And is the model good? Is it a washed model? Was I FOMO into something? Was I rushing? Was I not seeing something correctly? You got to evaluate, was the model actually good? And you only work that out from journaling. You look back and like, what the fuck? Was this good or was this bad? So yeah, excited. Stick on the discipline. It's gonna be good.